Hi, my name is Josie, and I'm a chicken farmer from Manitoba. This is our farm, and I love my work. I'm a third-generation chicken farmer, and my husband and I have enjoyed raising our own 3 sons on the farm. It is a joy to be one of many farm families that participates in the Chicken Farmers of Canada organization, producing high-quality chicken for our consumers. As a chicken farmer, I love doing chores. I love getting in the barn, making sure that my birds are cared for from chick to market, that they have high-quality feed, access to fresh, clean drinking water, comfortable surroundings, and high-quality air. One of the benefits of being a chicken farmer is that you can enjoy some of your product. And my family and I, we make the most of it. We enjoy grilling and cooking chicken. I am very proud to be a woman in agriculture in Canada. Thank you.